I've been down here since 9:30 this morning, fork in the pitch. It was 10 of us all together. It was our second team, third team, youth team players, just members of the community, ex-players. Everyone come down to lend hand. They know how much it means to us and to the community, and everyone just pitched in. We're Glynneath town, founded in 1910 by the Aberpergon mine.
This is the Welsh Cup game, which is the furthest we've reached since a long time ago. Normally when we enter this competition, it's for pre-season veteran friendlies, and it sort of gives us the boys a bit of experience to test themselves against higher league, and to beat those teams then is sort of like rewarding. So to come this far in the Cup is just something special. So see how it goes today.
Yeah, it's a massive occasion for the club, probably one of the biggest games we've ever played in. Boys have done brilliantly to get this far. For a club of our stature to be this far in the competition is massive for us.
The nickname is the Germans. As I understand how it came about is that the Glynneath Rugby Club adopted first, because teams hate to come up here to play the rugby club because there's a bit of hostility going on. So it's a tongue-in-cheek sort of approach, but because it's a small community, everybody knows each other, the football and the rugby, so we've adopted that title as well. It's all tongue-in-cheek.
It is a rugby town. Most people are more into rugby. We don't get a following like the rugby do, but since we're doing so well in this competition, a lot more people who usually watch the rugby have come start watching our games as well now, so it's benefited us in that respect. We wouldn't be able to host an home game if it weren't for the rugby club, so all credit to them. They've really bent over backwards to be able to put this game on today.
A lot of these boys grew up together in school, etc. So some went to rugby, others went to football. They socialised, we drink together and everything. Some of the rugby boys actually turned out to have a soccer club. And when their game's called off, they come down looking for a game. So it's that kind of environment.
I think every team we played has been higher than us so far, and one of the first rounds we played was on here against Cardiff Corinthians. We weren't expecting to beat them, and after we did, it just gave us so much confidence that every team we've drawn since have been beatable in our eyes.
Oh, it means everything, we're all local boys. We play in the Nghwpan League, like the 5th tier, so to go and play against some boys in tier 3, and it's been brilliant, and even to get some wins as well. Won on penalties in the first one, and we picked up a couple of wins, Village away and Trearddur away. Yeah, it's just been class for the club and the town, really.
If you told me this was going to happen a few years ago, I would laugh to you, but just a few years ago, we were really struggling financially, and the prize money from this tournament, just to get this far, has been really good, and that's bailed us out massively and has put us in a really good stead going forward now.
We're the underdog, we had no doubts about that today, and everyone in the village has come together. There's been a great buzz about the place this week. People who've never even got involved with the football before. We've got the rugby involved today as well, so it's been absolutely outstanding, and wherever we go, even if we're away, we always make some noise and they make themselves known. So without them, we wouldn't be here, and we can't thank the fans and supporters enough. Thank you.
It sounded as if every kick, every clearance, every tackle was cheered. What was it like to play in?
The crowd have been absolutely fantastic. Literally from since the qualifiers right through till today, really, and you've really seen that today. I don't even know how much it was, probably 400 or 500, I reckon. We had a good one for the qualifiers, and we took boys to Trearddur and Garden Village, and they're brilliant, and they pushed us on, and gutted we couldn't do it for them today.
Tom, congratulations, hat-trick today, but also 9th goal in this year's Welsh Cup. You enjoy that today?
9, yeah. I didn't know it was 9. I just come and play and just do my best to score. So every goal that counts, doesn't it? And I'm happy, so I must be doing something right in the right place at the right time.
Really, really hapus. Canlyniad, brilliant. Bach yn nervous braidd yn y second half pan nath nhw cael cyfarsal, ond dyna ni'n trwad.
It was literally fight for every ball and fight for every tackle. Quality did show a bit because some bad players have played as if they're Champions League. So that's why we come out on top today.
I thought the boys were excellent today. They did everything we asked of them. They have done all season, to be honest with them. We've got a great, fantastic bunch of boys here. I didn't think we were that far off. I think a few decisions went against us today, and that was the difference, really. A little bit of fitness, perhaps. That showed a little bit. But other than that, I can't fault it. The boys were excellent. Worked hard like they always do. Turned up again, and we've given them a little bit of a scare.